We have 1 year to go. 1 year before we meet again. Until we come together for the Olympic Winter Games in Beijing. That means a year of sacrifice, of pushing beyond, a year of hope, belief, finding that inspiration, that motivation. 1 more year of fighting, of falling, of struggling, only to rise again. A year of convincing yourself, I can do this. 1 more year of chasing the ultimate dream. A year of imagining all that awaits in Beijing.
Ich erkläre die 4. Olympischen Winterspiele für eröffnet.
New friends to greet, a perfect moment to meet.
Sixes across the board.
Unbelievable scenes.
The power of knowing how much stronger we are together. We have 1 year to go. Together, we will be ready.